Welcome to our channel. Activating your employer ReliaCard online is quick and gives you immediate access to manage your payroll funds. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Go to the ReliaCard website using your web browser. The specific URL should be provided by your employer or in the materials that came with your card. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Register button on the homepage. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit card number exactly as it appears on the front of your ReliaCard. Take your time to ensure you enter it correctly. Step 4. Provide your personal information for identity verification. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Step 5. Create a secure username and password for your online account. Use a combination that's unique and not easily guessed. Step 6. Set up a PIN for your card that you'll use at ATMs and for certain transactions. Choose a 4-digit code that's memorable but not obvious. Step 7. Answer security questions to protect your account. Select questions and answers that you'll remember but others cannot easily guess. Step 8. Review the terms and conditions of your employer ReliaCard program. Once you agree and submit, you'll receive confirmation that your card is activated and your account is set up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.